Alright, my friends, here we go again. So today we are going to start opening up the WRX gear, the 5-speed gearbox. As you can see, I already take it out, and last video you can see some of the footage. First of all, I want to clean it. It's pretty dirty here, and I've decided to look inside to see what's going on inside there. I see the pre-owner here, so there's some silicone residue, and here, so this been worked on. Now we can turn it a little easier. Don't lose this. Ja? Oder muss ich das hier rausholen? Ah. Ach doch, ja. Noch eine. Look at this. The bearing, look at this. The bearing also looks good. So, no, wait a moment. That's the rear. Well, the bearing looks not bad. On the first look, I also can't see any problems. Oh, okay, I have to take this out in a little better see. Well, so here you go. The gearbox open now. I still didn't split this gear box. This is the center differential. I just look at it. Some nasty piece of metal. This is a tooth of a gear. Looks like second. Anyway, it's definitely something going on. We gotta split it open in a moment, and then gonna see inside. Alright, so finally. The I hope this camera is working, and this one. So I have to remove the bolts up here, which is a little bit, little bit, only a little bit. What? Jesus Christ! That's a window. Okay, it's my mask. Go, go. Yeah, it's okay. Here's another piece of metal. Can you see that? Da ist auf jeden Fall Chica Chaka Muka Maka. Okay, so here you go. Let's open it. It's very good. This side is very hard, and this side is very soft. And it's open like a charm. So, okay. Can you hear the different sound? This one is already open, and here it's also coming. Okay, baby. Here we need to use some control force. Now, as I said before, whenever we do some work, we never use excessive force, just a little bit, controlled. Actually, see, here are here's some gaps. This one, and on this side too. So on both sides you can just slap it a little bit, and then it's gonna open up. There's nothing in the way. Also ganz gut, meine ich, man sieht sofort, was los ist. Guckt euch die Metallsplitter an. Hier nochmal ganz klein. Okay, so we are finished for today. The gearbox is clean, inside and out. All the gears are organized here, there. This one has still to be cleaned, but I'm still waiting. The new gears supposed to be here today. Didn't come, so they come on in a couple days. That's very awful, but I'm very happy. Looks really nice and clean, and we let them sit here. And tomorrow we are going to take care of some other parts, the braking, and I want to make the brake here. My baby's under the hood. Under the hood. I want to make the brake cooling a little bit better, so I got some nice things here, but I have to, there it is. So I still have to make this workable, so that's what I'm going to do tomorrow. But the gearbox, I don't know, need maybe a couple more days, but then it's gonna go inside and the baby gonna be ready for Christmas. By the way, here's another Audi A3, also for rebuilding. I don't know why I always do this kind of stuff. Anyway, it looks beautiful. Oh, I didn't clean up here. Okay, this is gonna go tomorrow. All right, that's it for the gear preparation or the transfer of the transmission. Okay, so I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoy the show. Can't talk anymore. So yeah, I'm gonna go take a rest now. See you again. Peace out.